Are we rolling? Is this on? Is this on? Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I got a lot of requests to do my current go-to makeup routine. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. But we're gonna do it a chatty style, chatty get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in like so long, so I just thought we would get ready together. So grab your cup of coffee. I've got mine. I also just recently got this reindeer mug, which is just so cute. And it has my coffee from yesterday, so I need to go pour that out. You guys want to just hang out with me and just chit chat, get ready. Let's do this thing. So I'm probably not gonna go over like every single product that I'm using, just because like for the sake of time and stuff. So I'll make sure to leave all of the products that I'm using in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Well, I have like 30 minutes to get ready exactly. So this is good for me because I can see if I can actually get ready in 30 minutes. What's going on, you guys? It's been a minute since I've like sat down, chatted, hung out with you guys. I feel like I haven't done one of these videos in a while. So it's been a while since I've caught up with you guys. Today is December 11th. Let me kind of give you an update on what's going on in my life, just because a lot has been happening to me, and yeah. So for those of you who are new to my channel and you're new to the family, you're new to the team here, I recently graduated from undergrad. I went to Calvin College in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Shout out to the Knights. I recently graduated and I'm back home, and after a job search, after like the job hunt of 3 months, which I know is like a short period of time, but after that time, I stopped searching. And I actually decided to become a full-time YouTuber slash blogger slash Instagram influencer, whatever you want to call it, content creator, whatever the proper term is. But primarily focusing on my platform, which is YouTube. A lot of my friends who are a lot of my friends who want to pursue YouTube, but they have like full-time jobs, can't always say yes to some things that come their way, especially when it comes to like being an influencer and blogging and different things like that. So I feel really lucky to be able to like do these types of things, have my parents support me by letting me live in their home. So I just feel really lucky. And I also, there he goes again. And as I pursue YouTube, like I, try to look for opportunities myself too. Like I go out of my way, and like I kind of like, I'm like my own manager. Like I'll try to book my own like things and, campaigns and different things like that. So so it's been a really exciting journey so far. I didn't think I would be like, like you always know those people who like back at home who are like, I'm pursuing my music. I feel like that's me, like I'm pursuing my YouTube channel. And I gave myself a year. So a lot of you might be thinking like, wait, what? I thought this was like a lifelong career thing. And as much as like it is, for me, I still value like, work experience, and I value like office experience and different things like that. Like I don't think that there's nothing wrong with that. Like I would love to work in an office and have like a 9-to-5 too, but for some reason, like, jobs don't want to say yes to me because I don't have enough experience, I guess. And also like doing YouTube, it's like this is something that I've been doing for myself, but companies don't care about what you do for yourself. They want to know what you're doing for other companies and other brands and how you've worked for them. So it's different if I was like a freelance marketer or whatever, but I'm not, so anyways, that's kind of like the long story short. I love what I'm doing right now, and I'm really grateful to my parents, especially, who are giving me like, supporting me and allowing me to like just stay at their house, and supporting me financially too, which is awesome. But I'm just really hoping and praying that every single day, like I'm working towards my goal of like, being able to be a YouTuber full time and support myself, and hopefully later be able to support my family as well, and like So yeah, so what is this in my nose? Oh my gosh, get out. Okay. So that's my whole spiel about like, you know, YouTube and what I'm doing right now. And I know that a lot of people who are watching my channel also like actually know me. Like you're either my friends or, you know, like we've met before in the past or like we're acquaintances and different things like that. So I know that a lot of people are curious as to what I'm doing right now, which always happens. Like after you graduate college and stuff, people are so curious about like how successful you are, what you're doing, like all that stuff. And like, trust me, you guys, like that's all people care about. They want to know like how much money you're making, how like great you are, how successful you're being, and this and that. And I think YouTube is such a facade. I feel like it's such a facade. It's like, oh, she's like, you know, a YouTuber, and like that doesn't mean anything. I don't know. I just feel like it's like, I don't know what I'm trying to say actually. You remember how I told you guys like this year I really want to get into like the fall and Christmas spirit and try to like really immerse myself and do the whole thing? But you guys, like, why haven't I been like feeling the Christmas spirit? I'm like wearing a Christmas sweater too, you know? I'm trying to be super Christmassy and super, you know, like getting in the zone, but I don't know, it's just been really hard. I don't know, it's also, it might be because I'm not gonna actually be here during Christmas. Oh, somebody's calling me. 여보세요? 네? 11시까지 우유 맡겨놓을 건데. Vermont 나 찍어야 돼. Vermont랑 something 엄마가 알았어. Bye. Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, my go-to. You guys all know this. My dog? What is happening? All people care about, even after you graduate high school, all people care about is like what you're doing, how successful you are, and like they don't really care about like getting to know you again, or like, I don't know, like I grew up and like with my parents telling me like not to trust people, and that, you know, like, because my parents are business people, okay? And like you have to understand that they like, you know, were, you know, first generation Koreans. They came to the States not even speaking the language and stuff, and you have to understand that they like, you know, people probably like cheated them and took advantage of them and used them and this and that. And so I grew up with parents telling me, you know, like people in this world are not who you think they are, and people just try to take advantage of people, right? So like I grew up with like those kinds of parents, which maybe you did too if you have like similar parents to mine, but that also made it hard for me to like, you know, like just be friends with people. Also, like I have a problem. I don't want to be friends with people. It's like a problem of mine. Like I don't want friends. Like I don't want people to like be involved in my life. And like, am I crazy? Am I like just by myself? Like at this point in my life, I've become so like picky with who I bring into my life, because every time I even try to like meet up with people, even like recently, like in the last 5 years, I hate saying this, but like I just feel like everyone always asks me only about YouTube, and like that really bothers me, because it's like making friendships and acquaintances is easy, but maintaining them and like wanting to stay friends and stuff is really hard for me. Like I don't really like bringing people close to me and like bringing them into my life. I don't like doing that because I get like nervous and it makes me anxious. That's why my siblings are my best friends and my boyfriend is my best friend. That's about it. My parents are my best friend. Like my family is literally everything to me, and like they're the only people that I want to share my life with. Like I don't want to share it with other people. That's that about me and friendships and stuff. It's hard for me. I suck at friendships. I'm like really bad at being a good friend and stuff. Like I'm not good at it. Like I'm not good at friendships. When I start to see something that I don't like in someone or something bothers me about them, like I'm not good at communicating that to them, and I get scared and it makes me anxious. Like I get nervous to like break off friendships, and I get hurt really easily. I'm really sensitive, and it's just a lot of different things. Like I'm very like, I just feel like there's no need to have friends, and it's especially happened during college because a lot of things happened to me during college. Like I felt like I lost friends and gained friends, and people were like two-faced, very two-faced. I literally love this eyebrow pencil. Anyways, I think I was talking about Christmas and the fact that I'm not gonna be here. And the reason for that is because I'm going to Mexico, and it's not like the tropical Mexico that you're probably thinking of. It's like Chiapas, Mexico, which Chiapas is, I think it's like a pretty wealthy city, but the place that we're going to specifically is not wealthy at all. It's like really, really poor, and it's one of the poorest in the world. We're driving like 5 hours up into the mountains or something like that. That's where I'm spending Christmas. We literally leave on the 25th, 10 a.m. is when we need to be at the airport. Literally spending Christmas Day traveling, which will be fun. I'm going with my boyfriend, my sister, my brother, and 30 other like church people, including ourselves and stuff. And it should be a lot of fun. And if you know me, like if you personally know me, you would know like my whole life has been all about missions and stuff, and like going on mission trips. I've been going on mission trips since I was 9. I've been to over like 20 countries through doing missions, which has been one of the greatest blessings in my life. Like it's honestly, like even if you're not religious or like whatever, I think it's an incredible opportunity to go on like a mission trip. So if you have the chance, I would highly recommend going. It just teaches you so much about yourself. It's not even about helping other people, which is a benefit of what happens during missions and stuff. But honestly speaking, missions is such a great place to learn more about yourself. And this brow bone highlight is like, wow. I need to leave in about like 10 or so minutes now. Ooh, I'm stressed. Okay, these are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. I'm obsessed with these lashes. These lashes are so good. I recently, like on my Instagram yesterday night, I posted, what did I post? I posted like what's the best and worst thing that happened to you in 2018. And I would love for you guys to like comment on this video too, or if you have Instagram, you should definitely like come and hang out with me and like let me know what the best and worst thing happened to you in 2018. But for me, the best things were graduating college and going to travel like with my sisters, just the 3 of us. Spending a month in Europe in January. Like a year just goes by so fast, but I can't believe like that happened this year. And it was honestly one of like the best experiences of my life. And I can't wait to go back. Like when if Justin and I get married, I really want us to do like a Europe trip, because it is one of the most romantic cities in the world. But also like you just learn so much about life and about love and about history and architecture. It's just like, Europe is a magical place, okay? It's just, yeah. It's more magical than the US, I'll say that. In October, I met Mila Kunis. That was amazing. I didn't really, like, meet her, per se. I guess I just, like, took a selfie with her, but hey, it is still really cool. Do you guys remember that day, too, on Instagram? If you follow me on Instagram, you would know I was freaking out. I was like, I even polled. I was like, should I take a photo with her or should I not? Like, I was like, what do you guys think? I'm scared. Oh, so good. Okay, like, doesn't that just look so good? These lashes are so good. I love these. This is literally the eye makeup that you guys, whenever you guys ask me about my eye makeup, or like you have questions about my makeup routine, this is the makeup that you guys ask me about. Isn't that crazy? I literally haven't worn like any other makeup like in 2 months. Also, I recently got some more planner inserts for 2019. And I'm thinking about doing a planner video. So make sure you're staying tuned for that, because I love planners. Like, I love day planners and like writing stuff, and I just love that. Yay. Oh! Are you freaking kidding me? I'm so mad. I'm not gonna touch it anymore because I feel like it's gonna fall off again. For lips, I have been using MAC Stripdown just to like line my lips around the edges. And I have to go soon. Okay. Okay, so I line with Stripdown, and then I go into a liquid lipstick. This one is the Milani number 10. I've been wearing this like same lip color for so many years. And then I go in with, I let this dry for a little bit. And then I'll go in with like a nudie shade, like Dose of Colors, More Creamer Please, or KKW Nude number 2 lipstick, or Nude Kate. And then just throw some lip gloss on. This is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in, I don't know what shade this is, the first one. And I just put it on the outsides, like here. And those are my lips done. This is my makeup completed. And then I'll just finish off with some setting spray. This is Tarte Dewy Luminous Skin Mist. Love this stuff. Okay, that is my makeup done. This is my current everyday makeup routine. I literally wear this every single day, and you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial or like a video of me doing it. I don't really explain doing makeup that well, so I just thought we would get ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really need to get going now. If you want to hang out with me for more vlogs, planner videos, bra videos, fashion videos, nail videos, everything, then make sure you're staying tuned and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. You have no idea. I always want to say thank you to you guys for everything that you guys have done for me in my life. So thank you so much. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!